But did you understand, or even better, did you accept the connection to your own personality? That you, yourself, were a psychopath?
The old cathedrals often have sublime artworks hidden away in the darkest corners of Roman gods. The same goes for music. Is that a Full Metal Jacket cartridge?
It's Mr. Sophistication! Nobody wants to help!
Very convenient and unusual in the pile of bad excuses. But all of that is of no interest whatsoever unless you are an engineer.
I am an engineer.